So right now it's my first hurricane ever, and I thought the only responsible thing to do is being a real American and going outside to show that I'm stronger than wind or something like that. I'm from Germany. I know how to deal with wind. It is just wind. It's not even raining. What kind of hurricane are you? Okay, I'm not gonna force it. I'm sorry. Dear weather god. Did this just fall down? So in Germany, when it's getting windy and stormy and there's a thunderstorm outside and stuff, it's actually really cozy. You don't have to worry about like storm surges and stuff. It's just cozy actually. But here, things can get really rough. Okay, to be honest, it is 11 and the hurricane is supposed to hit the strongest between 1 and 3. I'm gonna keep you posted. So I guess I'll see you back at 12 for my hourly updates. Here at News Channel 55 LX, the weather channel. I don't want to make fun about it because it's always gonna come back at some point. So I'm just going inside now, trying to be safe. So yeah, it's 12 o'clock midday. I mean, it got a little bit windier, but once again, it's supposed to be at its peak at around 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, okay. It's really picking up right now. It's windy. Well, I will have to say it is now 1:20. It is more windy than it was before. But still, I was expecting more. Maybe later. It is now 3 p.m. Welcome to the Weather Channel. It's still windy. I mean, it's a hurricane. It's supposed to be windy. But honestly, I don't see, like I was expecting some spectacular things to happen, like, I don't know, cars flying around or something like that. It's just windy. It's honestly, I don't know. Please, US, explain to me, what is the problem with wind? I don't understand. The only thing that I see that is damaged is over there. His boathouse roof thing got smashed. Other than that, it's windy. I think back in school my teacher told me that that US houses are actually like made out of paper, cardboard. He was literally saying this, but I mean, it's not that bad. It's not good, but it's not bad. First hurricane. I'll survive. Cool. I mean, besides work, there's not much to do. Which is fine. It is 5:44 now, and now it's getting really windy. I know you've expected me to say something else on the Weather Channel, but it is what it is. Windy. It's not raining, so what are we complaining about? You can't see much anymore. So as you can see, I'm back inside again, and I was filming this entire vlog with my DJI Pocket 3. Pretty fun, and I think I'm gonna do more in the future. See ya.